Okay, so this is a Rubik's 5x5, as you can tell by the little logo.
Assembly.
Assembly, yes. Of course, it is in pieces.
Kind of a tutorial.
Kind of a tutorial, mostly just me trying to put this thing back together.
Exactly.
I've put it back together like 3-4 times. I actually made a video of it, but then I needed like space on my camcorder to put the
Just thinking.
OLL video I did today that's not working.
Exactly.
So yeah, now
First step
is
to separate.
separate. Yes, you want to organize all your pieces. These wing edges is what I call them. You want to put them in pairs, so like we have both the red-green ones here.
There'll be 2 of like the same color.
Yeah, there'll be 2 of every set of the same color, so you'll have 24 of these. These you just want to stand out. These are your center edges. You'll have 12 of them. These are corners, of course. You have 8. And centers come in 2 shapes. That thing will sit.
Kind of corner-ish.
There's this is the center corner. Not
yes.
the center corner.
Center corner.
And I drop
Failure.
it. And this is a center edge.
Center edge.
And you all have 24 of each. So, no 8? Yeah, 24.
24
24
exactly.
of each. So that's 48 center pieces. Lots. Plus the pieces on the floor.
Right there. Put that right there. And are we ready to go?
I think we are.
I think we're ready to go.
So we're going to fast forward this.
Yes, we are. Woo! Now.
And now, final piece! Actually, that went in surprisingly easily.
Yeah! Woo!
And now it is completely done.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
So that's that.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.